Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to insert your SIM card and micro SD card, or known as trans flash memory card. So let's go ahead and get this started. So if you have a Samsung S10e S10 and S10 Plus, order S8 S8 Plus, S9 S9 Plus, or Note 8 or Note 9. You will be the same method on how to do this. Let's go ahead and take the phone out. So you want to eject the SIM card tray right here. You need to get your SIM card eject tool. I got this from eBay long time ago, and it is same size for like iPhones or other SIM card. So all you need to do is just make sure you put it in straight, and then just push in. Then just pull out that SIM card tray. Be careful, don't try not to jiggle it, and then just pull out straight. So since my phone is unlocked version, I'm going to insert the AT&T, and after that I'm going to insert a Sprint SIM card. So make sure you look at the SIM card, okay? There's a cut opening right there around the corner. And as you can see right here, it is cut. So just insert into that slot. The left slot is for the SIM card, and then the right hand side is for the memory card. You want to slide the right hand side in first. Make sure it sits into that frame. Okay? And then just like that. Be sure to sit in there smoothly or flush. And then I just insert it in. So it says service provider update. Your device will restart to configure features supported by the new SIM card. Then you're going to press OK. So I'm not sure why you need to restart twice. You actually vibrate twice. Alright, so the SIM card is not activated, so I'm just so once your phone restart, you need to enter your PIN number. It doesn't take your biometric face recognition or your fingerprint. So attention, SIM not provision MM number 2. That means the SIM card is not activated. Let's go ahead and go to camera. Once you insert the MicroSD or the trans flash memory. It says change storage location and SD card has been inserted. You can save space in internal storage by making your SD card the default storage location. Burst shot will still be saved in internal storage. UHD 60 frames per second recording will be saved in internal storage. So the burst shot and then UHD 60 frames per second, both of them will save in internal storage. So if you want to do that, you're going to press OK. So now whatever that we took picture is going to store in the micro SD card. Okay. Now we're going to try going to power out the phone first. So now we're going to try the Sprint SIM card, and then let's see what happened. Oh, that's what happened. If you don't put it in the level area. Okay, now we're going to insert that Sprint. I'm going to power on the phone. So somehow with the Sprint, it only restart one time, not two times. So weird. So after I change the pin, after I restart the phone, it's going to ask you for the pin. So again, it says service provider update. So it's going to restart again. Okay. So yeah, it does restart twice then. Because the first time I did not power off the phone, and then the second time I power out the phone. Now we're going to unlock. So it says activate your device. So I know it is invalid SIM card, so that's why it's not activating. But let me turn it down the volume. So that's why. So you know the phone is unlocked already if it didn't ask you to enter unlock code. Okay. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.